That's where we're going to install our blow-up fan for the second layer of plastic. That's going to be our roll-up curtain side. That's going to be our starting grow box down there where we get everything started in seed. And we're going to have some aquaponics coming all the way down through here to about this point here. And then over on this other side we're going to actually install 6 3-foot by 5-foot boxes that are going to be 2 by 12 construction, and there'll be 6 of those for coming down through on that side. Got the electric panel in, starting to get all the electric ran. Putting the fabric in so that we don't have no more grass or weeds coming up through. I put these 18 by 18 5-inch thick pads in to help support the upper system, because up here in New York State we get some pretty good loads of snow, so we just want to be prepared. I'm actually going to attach another one from there and go to that one to help with the center support more. And it's raining a little bit here right now. We have one fan installed. Got it temporarily running. Keep it cool in here. Gonna have another fan there. And I think, yep, the one fan is just below 60 for the one fan. I don't think we're gonna need them both running, but we'll see. Maybe on a hotter day. Today it's kind of rainy and the size of this greenhouse is 20 feet wide, 40 feet long. Okay, we'll go out and look at the outside structure. First time filming, so just bear with me. This is going to be the roll-up side. Good old American flag. Hey, it's my father. Say hi, Father.
Roadrunner.
And we got another garden here going. Slowly getting it going. Got some broccoli and some lettuce, some peppers, tomatoes, summer squash over here. And we'll go over to this side. And this is the other side. This is all constructed out of 1.5-inch gray PVC. And this is the back side. And if you look here, I have house foam in there to seal the two pieces of plastic, so when we put the air to it, it won't leak. Did that on both ends. And you can see the fans working. We were getting water inside the building, so I built that up a little bit, see if that'll take care of it. We've been exactly 1 month building this. And again, this is going to be the roll-up curtain side as soon as I get the parts for that. We'll keep you intact. Thanks a lot for looking.